once you click create new, it will appear create new business information set. What is the meaning of this is nothing but what are the information to be needed in my business card, that I will type here. Clear? So individual name, what is the name I need? I need, maybe I put Girija. The job position I will put teacher. I will put organization, I will give XYZ. Maybe I say college. This way I will put it. The address, maybe I can put address as what? My address I will put maybe Oman. I'll put Oman, Sur, Oman. That way I will give it. Suppose if you want to give postal code also, you can give post box number, postal code, anything you can give. Post box number, post box number 133, like this you can give. Suppose I want to give what is my phone number, my fax number also I can give. So here I can give my whatever the number. Here my email address, maybe my email address I'll say g@xyz.college.om, like that I can give. So here I can put tagline. Suppose any business in what the company, they have the motto, they have very attractive motto for it. The same way knowledge sharing is my motto of the college. Knowledge sharing, this way. Already logo is available, you can change it. You see here, otherwise insert. If it is available, it will give change. If it is not there, it will say change. So I can go and change here. Suppose I want one rose, this one I say I can insert. You can see, change it. Suppose I want to remove, I can remove this one. So you want to remove the logo. Removing the logo will not delete any file of your computer. So I say yes, okay, yes. So it will remove. Suppose I want to add the logo, I can add the logo. If it is nothing is there, I can add the logo here. I can add. Clear? This way I can add, I can change, I can remove, everything I can do. So what is the name I want to save? This file is nothing but this information, not this file, this information, this business card information I want to save, this template, because later I want to edit some information, I want to do some changes, I want to keep this template. Clear or not? That's why I am saving. So I am saving. What is the name I will save? I will save as sample 1, like this I will save. So I can say save it. Sample 1 I will save it. Clear? You can see sample 1 I save. The page is how your business card page size. Maybe portrait. Portrait means you can see portrait is. If you want landscape, you can pick landscape. Clear or not? So this is a method I can do. Suppose I want to include this logo. If people see here logo. If I say include logo, it is available. If you remove, logo is not there. Include, remove. Include, remove. Understanding? So if I want logo, I can keep it. If I don't want, I can remove it, this also. So I can say remove. Now what I will do is, I will say create click. So what are the things I did now? I went there. I think business sample 1 business card. I can show the sample 1 business card I created. Then I selected page size. Then I said include logo. Now what I am doing? Create. Click the button create. Are you getting? This is my business card. How I will save the business card? That's a very important one. The publisher file save as what? It will save as pub file. PUB pub. So it will save as what? Pub file. PUB pub file it will save. So I want to save as a publisher file. So you can see save as. I will save as in the desktop, in the browse, whatever this PC I want to save in the PC. In the desktop I will save as P1, this file name publisher.file. So this is my publisher.file. So this way I will save it. Clear? You can see here p1.pub. Now I will close. I will close the file. Clear? Close the file. I'll go here. Can you see here? Here my P1 file is available. P1 is publisher file. I will click now. This open. So this is one method you can use the publisher file. So the second one method is you can save it as any method. Save as you can save it as same desktop this file as different way. You can see PDF. I can save it as PDF. I can save it as image JPEG. So you can save any one. But one thing, if you save PDF or if you change JPEG, you can't edit. If I want to edit my file, I can't edit it. If it is there already the file, if I want already the file, this file, I want to edit some information. For example, I want to change XY college. So I want to edit information. It is possible only in the publisher format, that is pub format. So always first save as pub. After that only you save PDF or JPEG. Clear? So today what we learned, how to write the business information, how to select page size, how to save the file. These three we learn in tutorial number 2.